Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 3. If that is the case, then we are very likely to make a three-way pattern to the downside for wave 4, before we most likely make another attempt up for the wave 5. I think the 50% level is going to be the area where this will likely end an ABC of wave 4. So, going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is all still a wave A. I think at some point it probably is going to start a pretty big move to the upside, which would be a crutch into this first move down for a wave B, then likely back down again for a wave C, and this should all be an ABC of 4. You have to keep in mind that this is the weekly monthly time frame, and this whole pattern is going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down on the daily. If we don't get a break of sorts into the upside, I definitely will be more than happy to continue to look for sorts on shorter time frames. This thing could easily just keep on drifting down. If it does go up, if it does break structure, I will more than happily look for logs, probably all part of a wave B, and this would be the wave A. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure level is right here. So if price goes up and breaks that structure right here, then I will more than happy to look for longs. But for now, I'm still looking for shorts, because even though this is going up, I could easily make another three-way patterns up, make another impulsive move down, and just keep on trending down. If you've been trading all these three-way pullbacks, you have been doing really good. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 up, short. 1, 2, 3 up, short. And there's no reason why this may not make another 1, 2, 3 ABC pullback and just continue the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it is looking pretty impulsive. I think it is probably going to go up and break this structure. That structure break only tells me that this last 5 waves is over. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So it could easily go up, break structure, pull back, go up again, and maybe hit a Fibonacci retracement level, and then just keep on trending down. We could easily see another three-wave ABC pullback, which is why I will patiently be waiting for shorts at the end of every single three-wave pullback I do see. If it does decide to go up and break structure, that's fine by me, because I will just happily start looking for longs after the break of structure and after the pullback that comes after the break of structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.